Hello everyone, let's learn it is possible to view private Instagram account without following them. Do you want to see someone's private Instagram posts, stories, or reels without following them first? So watch this video till the end and find out how to do it. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. In this video I will show you 3 different methods to see private Instagram account, so in order not to waste your time, let's go to the first method. First method to see private account is to go on that account and follow that person. This method is basic one, but someone didn't want to follow any person to see his account, and I understand that, because that I will show you second method. So second method to see private account is to go on your another account, but if you didn't have another account you need to create new one. So go long press on little icon in bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on last option add account. Next go to create new account, and when you create new account go to follow person you want to see. So last and best method to see private account is to ask some member of your family or your friends to go on profile of that person and screenshot a profile of that person and send you picture, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.